our cute and colorful centennial named Bunny. Come on, Bunny. So as cute as he is, Bunny is a very good bird and made a lot of friends way back at home. So
Bird, toto na
after
bird.
he finishes his food,
bird.
he will go back home to call his friends. And also, centennials loves to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Thank you so much, Bunny. Thank you, Nanda. You can Lucy. Okay, ma'am, are you ready? Perfect. Okay. So now, everyone, I want you to meet our group of centennials, Bunny's friends.